Hello everyone! Welcome mga katarot, no? Welcome to Timeless Tarot 111. This reading is for May 14 to May 17 for our Cancer, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, meron po tayo doon sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No? You can also join our live sessions doon po sa kabilang channel. No? And kung wala naman po kayong time, no, para po sa ating live sessions, you can still ask me questions dito po sa comment section ng YouTube channel as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So, magsimula na tayo dito, Cancer. By the way, this is a general reading. So, you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of it. So, take what only yours. No? Pisces. So, parang nakikita ko dito is hindi ka na, parang pinangako mo sa sarili mo, hindi ka na magmamahal uli, no? Or you already found, the person for you. Kahit may konting challenges as of the moment, pwede natin sabihin separations have, kind of separations very vague. We can have a distance separation, no, that is physical. Energetic, yun ang pinaka-broad, no. Energetic, pwedeng hindi lang kayo nag-uusap, no. Energetic separation, merong konting tampuhan, yan. Yung mga challenges na may konting selosan, no. Pero as of the moment, ang nakikita ko dito is hindi kayo masyadong in good terms, no? Pero kahit ganun pa ba, you promised yourself, no, na I'm not giving up, no, sa taong ito, no? Actually, you have probably tried, no, yung mag-welcome ng ibang tao. Probably tried, sabihin natin, nag-explore. Pero hindi talaga, no? Parang there's an energy of rejection. Trinay mo sigurong mag-entertain ng ibang tao, no? Pero hindi dun pa rin talaga. Ito nga yung sinabi ni Selena Gomez, no? The heart knows what it wants, no? And your heart kind of, parang sabihin natin, still longing for the person and you want, yung kayong dalawa to be back together. Kasi feeling mo nga, you have already met your soulmate or, the person really meant for you. With the Judgment, the Fool card, the Knight of Cups. So, pwedeng ikaw itong binabasahan ko, Cancer, or pwedeng ito yung taong mahal mo, no? You can switch the energies. What I am reading here is the dynamics and what is happening in your situation. So, meron talaga ditong pag-entertain ng iba or at least nagka-crush, no? Pero, katulad ng sinabi ko, with the Judgment, isa lang talaga din, no? Kumbaga yung puso mo, siya mismo nangako, no? Dedicated na itong puso ko para sa isang tao. With the Knight of Cups, wini-wish mo na parang sana unti-unti, no? Na medyo umayos ang inyong relasyon. With the Seven of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Six of Cups. Ngayon, ang naging problema natin dito is feeling natin gumanti naman itong person natin. Either meron kang gut feeling as of the moment or meron ka na talagang idea na somehow your person also explored. No, parang meron ka na rin nandito ka sa situation na nakikipag-compete ka na rin, no, doon sa taong mahal mo. You're missing the person so much. With the Moon card, Eight of Wands, and the Seven of Pentacles. Kung hindi man talaga naputol, kasi nakita ko dito, paano ako makikipag-usap sa kanya or paano kami magkakaroon ng paliwanagan. Kung hindi ito yon, kung nakakat na talaga yung communication, paano kami magkakaroon ng communication kapag naka-block? Kasi ngayon, meron dito naka-block and I'm waiting, for me to be unblocked. No, again, pwedeng ikaw yung nag-block, pwedeng siya yung nag-block. And I don't have any means unless pumunta ako dun sa tao at makipag-usap ako in person. With the lovers in here, the Ace of Swords, and the Four of Cups. So ngayon medyo kinakabahan tayo, Cancer, kasi feeling natin, yung person natin is masaya na sa feeling ng iba. Pero tinatanggal mo yun sa isip mo. Kumbaga, ayaw mong i-entertain yung idea na mahal niya na si new person, no? Or nakapag-explore na siya at nakita niya na rin ang new person. So I don't want to entertain that. So parang ang sayo, you're still holding on into the connection with the Nine of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups. Ang daming kailangang iayos dito sa relasyon ninyo. One is the communication. Second is the trust. Third is also, yung paano magkakaroon tayo ng exchange of abundance once again. Paano natin sisimulan? Kumbaga kasi sa baso, no? Basag na siya. Kung maikakabit natin yun, kung pagdidikit-dikitin natin, nandun na yung lamat. So, paano natin siya aayusin? That's also one of the factors, no? Na kailangan maisaalang-alang natin kasi parang nawala na ang tiwala, no? Even the communication in here, for a few numbers of you, lumamlam kung meron man kayong communication. Parang ang nakikita ko dito, hi, hello, hindi na katulad nung dati. Tapos sobrang ikli, sobrang cold, no? Sobrang cold ng communication ninyong dalawa. But I feel like you're missing each other. What I am also seeing in here is feeling ko itong taong to, no? It's also they're doing a show na parang pinapakita niya lang din sa iyo na I'm better off without you. Pero deep inside, namimiss ka rin with the Six of Cups. I think meron ditong pataasan ng pride. So, ayun ang iyong reading for now for May 14 to 17th, Cancer. And tignan natin, no, ang zodiac sign ng taong mahal mo. Pwedeng meron silang ganito sa kanilang chart or ito ang kanilang sun sign, no? I am seeing water placements, Taurus, Leo, no? So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Pisces is dominant, no? Sagittarius, Aries, and Gemini. So this is your reading for now. Cancer, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At para po doon sa mga gustong magtanong, you're very much welcome to ask a question sa comment section po as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading, Cancer.